What should we ask the tarot today? I have my Ask the Tarot Love and Abundance Edition Oracle deck that I designed myself. There is a link in the bio to this and to several other decks that I have designed, plus private readings. But in the meantime, what should we ask the tarot today? What is the potential of this relationship? Think about a relationship and let us look at the potential. Spirit, for the viewer, what is the potential of the relationship that they are thinking about, please? What is the potential of the relationship? Okay, bottom of the deck, we have Mirrored Soul, Star-Crossed, Calmness, Soul Family, and Radiant. With the Mirrored Soul and the Soul Family, this is someone with whom you have a deep connection. You may have worked in other lifetimes together. This can describe romantic, platonic, or even karmic relationships. And you may have chosen to incarnate together to assist one another in soul growth. You may both mirror each other. What one feels, so does the other, and the questions that you may have might be the very same questions that they also have. Now, do you see on the card it says triggers what's left to heal? It is absolutely impossible to trigger someone who has healed. Therefore, if you do find yourself being triggered, use this as information on what is still left to be healed. We do have this star-crossed energy that does seem to have the energy of right person, wrong time. However, it feels like there is going to be a calmness, a tranquility, a peacefulness that you will find within the dynamics of this relationship. As mentioned, you may have met to help and assist one another to grow into the highest version of yourselves, which then ties in with this Radiant card, each of you finding your purpose. Let's pull tarot and see what it has to say. Spirit, for the viewer, what is the potential of this relationship? You know, as I'm describing it, it sounds very much like twin flame energy, but let us have a look. What do we need to know, please, Spirit, about the potential of this relationship? Bottom of the deck, we have Justice, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, the Sun card, the Five of Swords, and the Queen of Rods. We have two fives that speak of change. There may have been some inner conflict, or even conflict between the both of you. And this card here often speaks of being left out in the cold. If this has been the case, then I feel that a change is coming, because we have the Sun and we have the Justice card. Remember, I had spoken of the calmness and the peace. Here it is within the Justice card. This is where finally thoughts and feelings have been balanced. On one side we see the cerebral cortex, the brain, and on the other we see the heart. And then there is the Six of Pentacles, again is speaking of balanced energies. This is a card that speaks of equal giving and receiving. So if potentially you have always been the giver, then this is talking about the energy being returned in a likewise manner. It's interesting, of course, because we had seen the Mirrored Soul card, and this is most definitely mirrored energy. What we see above, we see below. So far what I'm feeling is that there's going to be a readjustment period, and perhaps that it is in the process right now. A shift, a change, and a rebalancing. Your intuition may be telling you this. The Queen of Rods is the most intuitive of all of the queens. It is also saying that you are highly magnetic and are drawing others to you. Throughout all of these shifts and changes, and even the obstacles, you may be doing a glow up. Again, speaking of moving into the highest version of yourself. The outcome is very beautiful here with the Sun card. This speaks of healing and happiness and abundance. So in summary, there are shifts and changes that are happening that are going to bring you to your highest potential, where someone is giving equally to this relationship. If you would like to learn about the potential of your relationship, there is a link in the bio to private readings.